Hello children, are you ready for the new class? Okay, but before that, let's revise our previous class. What we have learned in that class? Yes, we have learned about the capital letters and full stops. So whenever you are writing any sentence, you always remember the first letter of the sentence should be capital. And you end your sentence with the full stop also. Okay, so these are the things that we have discussed. Okay, so now let's come back to our today's class. You know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about blends. B-L-E-N-G-S, blends. Say with me, blends. So do you know what do you mean by this blends? No idea? Okay, so now let's have a rhyme with this blends. Okay, now I'm going to sing a song for you. Are you ready with me? Right? Let's get started. What is a blend? What is a blend? Let's learn together. What is this blend? A blend is two letters that begin words. Each letter sounds we can hear, like T says T and R says R. Blend them together and you get tr, like in train, track, tree and tractor. Then let's again with the rhyme. A blend is two letters that begin words. Each letter sounds we can hear, like B says B and R says R. Blend them together and you get br, like in brother, brush, branch and broom. Then again, one more blend we have, it's about dr. A blend is two letters that begin words. Each letter sounds we can hear, like D says D and R says R. Blend them together and you get dr, like dragon, drink, drop and drawn. Okay, so this is the rhyme. So children, now did you get any idea about this blends? What is this blends? Yes, blends are the sounds of two letters and that are written together. See, let me show you an example. Here, ma'am having one letter with me. It is T and here R. So now, let's make these letters together. So you will get one word like this. It is true. What is it? True. See, here the letters T and R makes the sound. You know the T it is having T sound. In the rhyme you can see, you know, T is having T. But R it is having R sound. But when we are connecting these two letters together, then you will get one new sound. That is true. What is it? True. So now let me show you some words with this true sound. This is a blend, you know. Blend means we are connecting two letters T and R. Here we have connected. So we go true sound like train, tree, truck and tractor. These are some examples for this word true. So let's write it on this board. It is true sound blends. So now I am going to write the words truck, tractor, tree and train. These are some words. Okay. Then now let's see the second blend is about br. B and R, br. So here which are the letters joined together? Yes, here B and R. It makes one sound that is called br. Like in the words brother, brush, broom, blend, blend. See, broom, brush, branch and brown. These are some words which we can use with this br sound. Okay, then let's see the last blend is about this dr, dr sound. Here the letter D and R together makes one sound that is called dr. What is it? Say with me. The letter D and R together makes one word which is dr. Dr. So let's sing about some words with this sound. Dr. Can you say some words? Yes, like drink, dragon. Yes, our Anya and the dragon. That poor dragon is this. Then drink, dragon, drop or drone. D-R-O-N-E, drone. So here all these words which are begins with the blends. In all these words you can see that tr sound here, br sound, and here these all words are beginning with dr sound. Okay, so today you can learn mainly about these three blends. One is tr, then br, then third one is dr, tr, tr, br, br, and dr, dr. So what do you mean by blends? Blends means two letters together to make one sound. That is called blends. Okay, so now it is better time to take your workbook. So please take page number 17, blends, tr, br and dr. Tr, br and dr. Say with me, tr, br and dr. Okay, so here actually it is about a game. But now in this situation we are not able to play this game. Okay, so that is why what we have to do. Yes, here you have to find out the maximum number of words with this three blends. Tr, br and dr blends. So what you have to do? Here you can see, each box is like this with blends. First one it is br, br, then dr and tr. This how it is given here. So what you have to do? You have to find out the words with this blends. So if you are getting the word brush here, so how can you write here? Yes, here you can write like this. You can complete this blend with this remaining letters. So B-R-U-S-H, brush. Or else you can write simply here also. There are some space you can see, on this space you can write here. Here in these spaces you have to write the words. Okay, this is the only work that you have to do from this today's class. Then if you are like to play the game like the Ludo board, there we are using, dice and counter. What do you mean by this dice and counter? Yes, these are the things. This we are using to play the game Ludo board or snake and the ladder, So you can use these things to play this game. So these are the rules. Some things you can read here. Step 1, step 2, step 3. These are the rules that you have to keep in your mind while playing this game. How to play this game? See, step 1, keep your counter at the start. So counter means the circle things, These are called counter. So you have to keep the counter here on the starting point. Then roll the dice. Then you have to roll the dice. There are so many numbers you can see here, So what you have to do? You can roll the dice. Then move as many boxes as the number that appears on the dice. So which number appears on the dice? Based upon that, you can move forward to each boxes. Then step 4, look at the blend written in the box where you land. Say a word that starts with the blend. For example, if you are rolling the dice, then if you are getting number 2, then what will you do? Yes, you have to move 2 steps forward. So if you are following this box, so then where will you reach? Yes, you will reach on dr because you are getting number 2, you know. So you have to move the counter from the starting point to this blend dr. Then again you can roll the dice, and based upon the numbers that you are getting after rolling, you can move, you can play this game like the Ludo board. Okay, so here you get an extra turn if you land on a star. So here, if you get a star here, then you will get one extra turn. Okay, so this is how you can play this game with your cousins or your siblings. Okay, it was a very funny game. If you are in this class, then we can play this game together, right? Okay, so hope this is clear to you. This 3 blends, tr, br and dr. So you have to find out maximum number of words and add here in this columns also. While writing on your notebook, you have to find out some more words with this blends. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. So be ready for the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.